In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $300 per day very fast with your Clickbank affiliate marketing business.
This is your year. It's your time. This is your moment. Come to this up-and-coming Wolves Masterminds live event in no place other than Miami, Florida.
What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire-ass video. In this video, we're simply going to go ahead and teach you guys how to make $300 per day with your Clickbank affiliate marketing business from start to finish. Now, first and foremost, let's take a look here, right? If you don't have a Clickbank account already, go ahead and create one. Once you create one, you're going to go ahead and get access to the marketplace. And within the marketplace, it's going to give you a different amount of categories that you're going to be able to promote offers in. And the next step is finding an offer, right? Now, I'd highly recommend health, wealth, and romance, right? But in this specific instance, right, if I was to go to these different ones, super affiliate systems, CB University, etc., I'm going to find one that makes sense, right? Now, before I do, right, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and look at a couple of things, right? What is the gravity score? So the highest gravity score is the super affiliate system, or actually, no, it's not. I lied. The gravity score is affiliate bots right here. That one has 102 gravity score, but I mean the average sell is only $12. So you want to find something that's going to make you money, but also has a pretty good gravity score. In this instance, it's looking like CB passive income is pretty good. So, but don't take my word for it. Do your own due diligence. Next step is you want to go ahead and actually look at the promo material. So if I was to go ahead and look at CB passive income and look at the promo material, this is what we have, right? And I would actually watch the video, see if it's persuasive. If it's persuasive, then I'll go ahead and promote it. And then once I start driving traffic to it, I'll figure out whether it's something that I want to do or not, right? Now, next is we're gonna go ahead and press promote, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and generate hop links. And then this is the actual link that we're gonna be leveraging, right? However, this is the actual steps that we're going to take, right? We're going to need these three things. We're going to need an opt-in page. We're going to need an offer, which we have the offer already, and then we're going to need traffic and then follow up, right? So we need an opt-in page for the specific thing before we even talk about traffic. So what we're going to do, and a lot of people think it's very hard to create funnels. I'm going to show you guys how quickly you guys can create one. If you guys notice, I have tons of funnels for different offers. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add a new funnel. I'm gonna use Classic Builder, collect emails, and I'm just gonna put demo funnel, whoa. So if you notice there's an opt-in page, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna look at the templates that they give me. Sure, I like this one. So I'm gonna select this template. I'm gonna press edit, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to CB Passive Income. It says CB Passive Income license has been the turnkey system to make money online for the past 5 years. So the turnkey system to make money online for, I'm just gonna put it like here. The turnkey system to make money online even if you're a complete beginner or have no prior experience. Boom. Next. Red means no, green means go. So we're gonna make it green instead. And then we're gonna say, yes, or give me access. And then featured in, sure, we'll keep that, even though that's a lie. I have no idea what this is, so I'm just gonna delete that. And then I'm just gonna put free video training, and then we'll match that green for some reason. And then we're just gonna delete that for time's sake. All right, next is, so look, boom, we have a funnel already. Now we need a pop-up, or there's gonna be a pop-up. Where should we send your free training? Enter your email address below. The green, the blue button to instantly receive your free training. Yes. And then edit settings. Oh, hell, that is too freaking bright. I'm gonna use orange or something. What is white? All right, guys, I'm doing a little bit too much here, but all right, boom. Now, guys, you get the point. You guys can figure out how you really want to do this, but the point is here, next what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to connect it to an integration, which you can figure that out later. And then on submit, go to general, on submit, go to, boom, or actually, boom. Okay, now second step done. Preview. The turnkey system to make money online, even if you're a complete beginner or have no prior experience. Yes, give me access. And then we're gonna pray it says, yes, I deserve this. And boom, it sends me to the affiliate link with my hop link at the top. So with that being said, guys, the second step is done that quickly. So let's go back over here, right? So, or actually, yes. So the first step is we need an offer. We found an offer. The second step is we need an opt-in page. We just built one. Now that we've built an opt-in page, we're gonna start driving traffic, right? So an example of traffic that we can drive is Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, YouTube ads, solo ads, right? So in this specific example, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys one for Make Money Online opportunities, which is solo ads, right? So Udemy, basically what you can do with Udemy is you can literally find solo ads. So my solos, just to show you guys that like the proof is in the pudding, I actually buy solos, 500 clicks, 550 clicks, 110 clicks, 500 clicks, 200 clicks, etc. So I'm not just BSing you and showing you something that I don't use. Like I've actually bought thousands of clicks with Udemy. So find sellers. And what you want to do is you want to find sellers who have above 30% sales, right? So what that means is that 3 out of 10 people minimum, when they actually buy from these people, actually get a sale. So link down below. If you guys look in the resources section, it'll say traffic. You'll be able to get access to Udemy. And look, so there's 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll then go ahead and reach out to them. This guy has 38%. He has the highest percentage. And then once I go ahead and click him, so he'll be able, today is the 11th. So one thing that you want to look into is the actual date that they can deliver. If let's just say the delivery date is like, let's just say December 30th, that's way too far away, right? So since he's December 12th, right, I'll go ahead and buy 200 clicks, and then you could either go ahead and add your own copy, or you could just let them do their own, right? And then this would cost me $193. Then the objective would be, right, I'd give them my link of my funnel, or actually, yeah, the link of my funnel. Then they're gonna drive traffic with their big email list to this funnel, Then people are gonna go ahead, traffic is gonna go to the opt-in funnel. They're gonna put in their email, which is gonna get on my email list. Then they're gonna see this page right here, CB Passive Income, or whatever my affiliate offer is. Then last but not least, we're gonna follow up. The fortune is in the follow-up, right? That's where email marketing comes into play. So the people who do not buy, we're gonna go ahead and redirect them back to that page. And then we're just gonna hammer them with emails, right? Value-based emails and emails that are actually gonna go ahead and recommend affiliate products within the specific niche, to where we're gonna be able to build a big email list, drive traffic, and then if we notice here, here's the offer, guys. Literally, if I was to get 2 sales per day at $4.90, or excuse me, 1 sale per day, right? That's about $300 per day, right? $497, 50% of that, and then the 75% of the 47 there. I mean, you do the math, guys. That's literally almost almost $300 per day, right? So, with that being said, guys, you need those 3 things. You need a sales funnel, you need an offer, you need traffic, and you need follow-up, right? However, obviously, guys, it's not gonna be that straightforward. You're gonna need to know how to optimize your funnels. You're gonna need to know how to do email marketing. You're gonna need to know how to drive traffic besides solo ads, etc., etc. But that's just a quick method that you guys can use. If you guys want a little bit more in-depth training, the second link in the description, you actually get access to my free course, right? Which will teach you guys a little bit more in depth how to do this. Number 2 is, if you've never been to Miami before, we're actually holding an in-person event that I'm super excited to announce. A lot of you guys have been following me for a long time. If you haven't, and this is your first time coming across me, I want to meet you in person. I want to shake your hand. I want to go ahead and shoot some pictures, shoot some content, talk to you, help you with your business. If you've never been to Miami, guys, this event is going to be freaking amazing, right? Show up. I don't care if it's 10 people. I don't care if it's 100 people. It doesn't matter, right? Whoever shows up, there's going to be an amazing delivery. I have some amazing speakers who's coming to actually drop down some knowledge and help you crush it. Let's make this 2019 freaking amazing for you. Stop thinking about it and start freaking doing it, guys. So with that being said, I appreciate you. I want to meet you in person. Click the first link in the description. We're doing a flash sale right now, so I can't wait to see you there. But with that being said, guys, as always, Eric Ellis Jr., your boy, checking out.
This is your year. It's your time. This is your moment. Come to this up-and-coming Wolves Masterminds live event, and no place